Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning, my students. I hope all of you are ready to study English, and then you are healthy, all of you. Okay, in this occasion, we will study about opinions. Okay, maybe you know what is opinion. Okay, opinion is the way you feel or think about something. Okay, our opinion about something or someone is based on our perspective. Oke, jadi opinion adalah gimana cara kita menyampaikan perasaan kita atau apa yang kita pikirkan tentang sesuatu ya. Jadi opini tentang sesuatu atau seseorang bisa itu berdasarkan bagaimana perspektif kita sendiri ya. Whenever we give or express our opinion, it is important to give reasoning or an example to support our opinion. Jadi untuk mengekspresikan ya opinion, hal ini penting ya untuk memberikan alasannya ya yang bisa mendukung pendapat kita. Okay, we see some opinions here. I like Harry Potter movies because the magic seems so real. It is the boy's opinion, yes. And then the girl here is not, what is it? Doesn't agree, yes. I don't agree with you. Harry Potter movies are just overrated. It is one of the example of dialogue that express opinion. And then the next example here, I like playing tag because it is so much fun. And the girl said, I don't like playing tag because people end up fighting. In my opinion, the government should provide means of subsistence for underprivileged people instead of building tall towers. Okay, next we can see here other example. The boy answered, I agree with what you are saying, but have you ever thought that building tall towers provides work for unemployed people? Okay, there are some expressions that express opinion. We can see here, boy express what he thinks, and then next we can see other subject here. Let's look at the sentence structure to express opinions. We can see here subject, for example, I, we, and then here verb, for example, agree, and then the object is with what you are saying. So the sentence become I agree with what you are saying. Okay, next, we believe this is the right way to handle things. Yes, here is the sentences that express opinions. Okay, you can see other sentence. I reckon this could be right considering the reason you have provided. Next, I agree that I didn't look at it from this perspective. And then I doubt that it is possible. We assume you are based on this issue. And then next, I don't agree with you. It is if we don't agree with their statement, okay? Then I think you are mistaken. And then I think so too. Yeah. So we can see here there are example of what is it? The sentences that the structure to express opinion. Yes, subject, it can be subject, verb, and object. Okay, the opinion, there are two kinds. can be personal and then general. Here we will study first about the personal points. Okay, opinion can express in the way given below in the personal point of view. Okay, these expressions are used to show personal point of view. For example, because it is our opinion in singular, yes, here. In my opinion, you can continue the sentence. For example, in my opinion, it is better for students to come early, so they will not come late. Okay, and the next sentence like, I think smoking is bad habit. Yes. Okay, can you maybe you can make your sentence what is it yourself, you can make to try to the sentences, to try sentences using this equation. For example, what I mean is, you can continue, yeah, and then in my humble opinion, you can continue, and then I would like to point out that, you can continue, to my mind. By this I mean, and then I am compelled to say, I reckon, as I see it, yes. And then we can see here, in my experience, I strongly believe that, and then as far as I am concerned, from my point of view, and as I understand. Okay, there are some expressions that can be used to, what is it, to express opinion as personal. Okay, next we can continue to study about a general point of view. Oke, di sini berarti secara umum ya, general. These expression are used to show a general point of view. Oke, jadi ekspresi-ekspresi di sini digunakan untuk mengekspresikan secara ini yang berpendapatnya hanya not only singular ya, but it is general, umum. A general point of view create a balance in writing and helps avoid absolute statement. Oke, jadi untuk menciptakan sini keseimbangan ya, a view of create a balance in writing, dalam penulisan, and helps avoid absolute statement. Jadi untuk menghindari pernyataan-pernyataan yang mutlak ya. Ini jadi bagaimana pendapat umum misalnya tentang COVID, tentang pemilu, misalnya, about COVID, about what is it, general election. For example, here the expression that you can, what is it, study, you can practice to express opinion. Here you can read most people. I can try to make clearly. Most people don't agree. For example, we can continue. Most people don't agree with his habit. For example, his habit is like to disturb other people at night, for example, or disturb his friend to study in class, ya. Jadi most people don't agree with his habit. Jadi his habitnya biasanya berarti karena banyak orang yang tidak setuju, berarti di sini kebiasaannya yang jelek, misalnya mengganggu temannya yang lagi belajar misalnya. And then here almost everyone, ya, almost everyone know the reason of flood is, for example, throwing rubbish everywhere. And then next, some people say that. Nah, kita tinggal lanjutkan di sini. We continue over here the sentences. Can you give the example? I give example. For example, some people say that smoking is bad habit. And then some people believes that enough sleeping is good for our health. Our health. And the next, of course, many argue that the general election 2024 must be must be held. And then generally it is accepted that we must wear mask because now is COVID-19. Okay. Okay, there are many expressions. You can continue your service. Yes, you can try to practice this subject. Okay, next. The opinions, the expressions are used to show a general point of view. Here, a general point of view creates balance in writing and helps avoid absolute statement. We have, yes? We have. Okay, next. Here it is about agree. Yeah, agree with an opinion. Can you see here? Can you see? Okay. Okay, agreeing with an opinion. There are some of the expressions used to express agreement with an opinion. For example, if you are agree with something that other people say. Jadi kalau kita menyetujui dengan apa yang dikatakan oleh orang lain atau yang jadi statement orang lain ya. Misalnya kita setuju, nah ini bisa kalian hafal ya, bisa kalian praktekkan. Nah ini cara untuk menyatakan kalau kita setuju ya, because opinion can be agree, other people can be agree or disagree with their opinion ya. Okay, here the expression of course. For example, smoking is a bad habit. Misalnya kita setuju, ya kita bisa mengatakan, of course, I agree, I never thought of that, neither do I, and then that's a good point, I think so too, and then this is absolutely right, I agree with this opinion, I couldn't agree more, I agree with what you are saying, but have you ever, ini bisa dilanjut ya. Oke. Jadi ini ekspresi untuk kalau kita menyatakan setuju dengan opini orang lain ya. Oke. Next kita lanjutkan ke sini ya. Disagree with opinion ya. I believe you know the meaning of disagree here. Disagree artinya tidak setuju ya. Jadi ini yang menyatakan tidak setuju dengan sebuah opini, dengan sebuah pendapat ya, pendapat orang lain. There are the expressions used to express disagreement with an opinion ya. You can write this, you can read this, and then you can practice yes this expression to say disagree, to express disagree about what is it? Other people opinions. For example, what is it? Now we are free from COVID-19. Misalnya sekarang kita sudah merasa terbebas dari COVID-19. Tetapi banyak juga yang misalnya tidak setuju. There are some people who don't agree. So we can say like this, I disagree with you. Okay? And then you can also say, I think you are wrong. Saya pikir kamu salah, misalnya ya, bahwa kita sudah terbebas dari COVID-19 because, misalnya, why I think you are wrong? Because, for example, now still, what is it? Or happen, someone who get COVID-19 disease, yeah. Okay, the expression doesn't know same thing at all. It is not satisfied to say so. I am not convinced that COVID-19 For example, has stopped. I can't say I agree with this, and here is why. Can continue, yes, that sentences. Why we must, for example, we must wear mask. Jadi kenapa kita harus masih memakai masker? Karena saya pikir, I think COVID-19 hasn't stopped. Okay, ada expression I am not sure agree with you. Jadi saya tidak yakin, belum setuju dengan pendapat kamu that COVID-19 has stopped. Okay, I don't agree with you. Ini mudah ya, yang paling sederhana yang sering kita pakai nih. I don't agree with you. Dengan pernyataan tadi ya, bahwa kita sudah bebas dari COVID-19 misalnya ya. Okay, I am afraid I have to disagree with you. It is the same to express what is it, disagreement. Then, I don't believe that. Bisa dilanjut ya. I don't believe that COVID-19 has stopped. By this, I mean, I still must wear mask. Okay. And then over here, opinions can be expressed using mental verbs like believe, think, about, doubt, assume, feel, etc. Yeah. Okay, you can try to make the sentences using these mental verbs. Yes. And then you can try to make dialogue with your friend using disagreement or that express opinion. Okay, I hope you understand what I have explained to you in this time. We have studied about the expression, to express opinion, and then the way to answer about their opinion. We are agree or disagree with their opinion. Okay, I think today is enough. I hope we can study again next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.